Hello, my name is Carrie Smith, and today I'm going to show you how to get Screencastify into your Google Chrome extension bar. So go ahead and open up your Google Chrome. Please make sure you're in Google Chrome. This will not work if you are not in Google Chrome. So if you don't have Google Chrome, go ahead and make sure you have that downloaded on your computer. You're going to go up here to the search bar, and you're going to type in Chrome extensions. And then it's just going to give you the extension store. Either one of these links will work, but just go ahead and go to the first one that pops up. You're going to search the store and you're going to type in Screencastify. And then it's going to be the first one that pops up here, and you're going to select Add to Chrome. And then you want to go ahead and select Add Extension. It's going to take a couple seconds. It's going to ask you some permission questions and to have you sign in. All right, so mine has been added already. That's how quickly it works. So it's here. Now we know it's up here. So this is the logo for it. So I'm going to go ahead and select it, and now it's going to have me sign in. So I'm going to sign in with Google. It highly recommends that you use Google because one, you're using Chrome, so you should be logged in anyway, and two, it's going to save all of your videos automatically to your Google Drive, so you don't have to worry about saving them onto your computer and wasting space. So the step one is really important. You need to give it the permission to use your camera and microphone because without those, you're not going to be able to, one, if you want to do a webcam where your face is on the screen, you're not going to be able to do that if it doesn't have your camera, and then microphone, it's not going to be able to hear you. So you want to make sure those two things are set to unlock. And then the drawing and annotation tool, I definitely recommend that you have that unlocked. And what that allows is for you to write on any tab in Chrome while you're recording your video. So go ahead and hit next. You're going to allow. And then your computer should pop up a couple things where it wants you to do some allowing, and if it does, go ahead and do that. But when you get to this page, it means that you are ready to go. You see the confetti, you know that you are ready to start recording with Screencastify. So I uninstalled this and then reinstalled it, so I didn't get all the prompts that you might get, but it's going to probably ask you for permission. So do you allow the camera? Do you allow the video? Just make sure you go through those and make sure that you hit allow. All right, so once we're here, you are ready to go and you are ready to use Screencastify. Go ahead and watch the next video on how to record a video.